Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Kartavya Kumar, you may please mention your roll number.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, couple of more minutes. Okay, so in the yesterday's class, we started the habit forming substances. Habit forming substances. Okay, my voice is coming fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, habit forming substances. So, we discussed some basic points about this one habit forming substances. Okay. So, they are addictive. Okay. That is, once a person starts consuming, then it becomes a habit. Okay. So, they are addictive and they generally have some kind of adverse side effects. Adverse side effects. Okay. These side effects need not be always physical, they can be mental side effects as well. Okay, so now we saw that some basic things what we can use to categorize. Today we will go into details about what are the most important such kind of addictive or habit forming substances. One of the most common, that is the socially a problem, is the alcohol consumption. So alcohol is a here basically it is nothing but ethanol. Okay, ethanol, alcohol. Okay, so why alcohol is considered a habit forming substance, and why, what is the problem with alcohol? So alcohol, which is basically ethanol, is sold at different percentages. Okay, all the way from 4% to more than 40%. Okay, of the alcohol content. Now, when people consume this one, the alcohol, it is every substance is having a certain medicinal property as well as a damaging property. So, for example, in homeopathic medicine and most of the cough syrups and all other things also, alcohol is used as a medicinal purpose. So, there is a certain proportion and dosage to that one. But indiscriminate usage, okay, consuming in a indiscriminate manner without making any discrimination, consuming the thing, it leads to a lot of problems, both physical as well as mental problems. Okay, so it has some kind of a sedative effect, and it will result in the loss of neuromuscular coordination. People are like swaying and moving, not alert. Okay, and drinking and driving is one of the most dangerous thing that is leading to lot of road accidents, not only in India but also all over the world. So these are some of the side effects that are associated with alcohol consumption. Most of the people also, they behave very strange manner. Consuming indiscriminate alcohol is leads to social problems. Okay, and in a personal point of view also, it affects the liver. Okay, it damages the liver. So it leads to what we say liver cirrhosis. Okay, liver cirrhosis is nothing but for the people who consume non-vegetarian food. So if you have ever had the liver, okay, or liver fry, what you say, liver ko fry karte hai, so how it becomes with all those kind of a little bit of blisters and all those. So from a pinkish or reddish color it turns into brown color. So similarly that liver becomes inside the body, that becomes what you say liver cirrhosis. लिवर काम करना धीरे धीरे बंद कर देता है, एंड लिवर इज द वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. पूरा जो मेटाबॉलिज्म है शरीर का, वो हम लोग बोल सकते हैं लिवर इज द मेटाबॉलिक सेंटर. सो दैट गेट्स अफेक्टेड, then the person is not able to digest any food and slowly the person will die. Okay, so that is the problem with alcohol consumption. That is a habit forming substance. People consume it for socializing purposes, recreational purposes, and they get addicted, which can result in serious consequences. The next one is the tobacco. Okay, both of these are very old, from from many hundreds of years people have been consuming, and it is resulting in a lot of side effects with respect to health and social problems also. So tobacco is is a plant product. Okay, it is coming from the leaf of the tobacco plant, and it is consumed in different methods. Either it is chewed or it is smoked. Okay, but it contains a certain addictive substance. Okay, that is an alkaloid that is called the nicotine. So ज़्यादातर humans what they are consuming, these habit forming substances, they are mainly plant based products, and these plant based products they have alkaloids. Okay, these alkaloids are very powerful. Okay, they are able to play with the nervous system, and that is where the problem comes. So since they are able to stimulate the nervous system in a certain manner, the person may feel it recreational, but over a period of time the person gets dependent on that substance, due to which in the absence of that substance, for example nicotine, the person will want it. Okay, and if he doesn't get the nicotine, then the person feels agitation, he feels distress. So these are some of the what you can sell mental issues. But what are the physical issues are also associated? There is the loss of appetite. Okay, loss of appetite in the food. There is a lot of what you say acidity formation and digestive problems. Okay, these are what you can tell chota mota problems associated with the tobacco consumption. But the serious problems are those of if it is the oral consumption. Okay, like chewing the tobacco in whatever form it may be, it may result very high consequences of oral cancer. Okay, oral cancer is a deadly disease. We have seen it is a very high incidence in particularly regions where people are consuming all these kind of tobacco based products in the kind of pouches and commercially available ones. Very dangerous, should not be consumed. That leads to oral cancer, and this is a real problem. Okay, so a lot of cancer hospitals are filled with patients who are suffering with this oral cancer, deadly disease. So need to cut off almost a half of the jaw, half of the face is missing after the surgery, and still recovery is a problem. The other kind of issue is with the smoking. Okay, smoking is seems to be somehow socially it's more prevalent in South India, a bit less prevalent in North India. North India more of chewing tobacco, South India more of smoking one. But whatever it may be, smoking also results in the what you say the lung cancer. Okay, and even before the lung cancer starts, the person's lung is totally filled with the tar. जो रोड,
And what is tar?
टार इज नथिंग बट जो रोड बनाते हैं ना, डांबर बोलते हैं ना, वो डालते हैं उसमें काला काला, जो रोड जो बनता है तो उसमें वो काला काला चीज जो पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट जो हम लोग मिलाते हैं उसको टार बोलते हैं. सो टार इज नथिंग बट इट इज ए kind of blackish sooty substance. So when a person is smoking, then if directly you may not be able to see that the blackish kind of thing is coming, it may look like a white smoke, but when you pass through the filter, then you will be able to see that there are a lot of this kind of oily substances and greasy substances are there. वो सब जब फेफड़ा में जाता है, when it goes into the lung, you know the lung is made up of the alveoli, that is the air sacs. In this form it will be there. So gas exchange has to take place here. Okay, and this kind of a dirty oily substance, it will totally cover this alveoli of the lungs. Okay, air sacs, alveoli or air sac of the lungs, जिसके कारण क्या होता है, द प्रॉपर गैस एक्सचेंज इज नॉट एबल टू टेक प्लेस इन द लंग. द ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का जो एक्सचेंज होता है, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस प्रॉपरली. द पर्सन विल सफर फ्रॉम पुअर हेल्थ. Okay, poor health, because body is not properly oxygenated, and it becomes very susceptible to lung infections like pneumonia and all these things. Lung infection ka chances. So there are it is made mandatory in most of these kind of when we were kids at that time, there used to be a lot of advertisements on television about smoking, you know, you smoke this thing, you smoke that thing. So but that was banned. Okay, because it is causing a serious health threat to the people. A lot of people are dying because of that one. So now what is advertised on all these kind of whatever cigarette packets are there, or oral consumption of tobacco is there, then there are certain images, medical images of the people who are suffering from these diseases. Okay, so we hope that the new generation, they feel that what is
Sir,
the problem. Yes.
sir, if there is that medicinal photographs on that, then why the company is selling that?
you
They
see
should not make it.
you see for any of
It
the,
should be banned.
yeah, you see that is a true, and it is also banned in most of the places. but it is a socio-cultural problem. Okay, so what happens is that even in certain countries where I have seen in abroad also, what happens is even a certain thing is banned, you can never ban it completely. Even the strictest rules are there, death sentence is there, you cannot still ban it, because the problem is there is, wherever there is the money is involved, there is a corruption, there are social, I don't want to go into all those things, but here important thing is a social problem. Okay, it is a social problem, it is a, so legislation is a different thing, making rules is a different thing, but what is the most important is unless the younger generation realizes that what is the effects of this kind of consumption. Okay, people are always there to sell you all kind of rubbish, and by advertising they make a lot of things which you don't need, you don't want to, you don't need that one, you don't want to buy that one, but just by advertisement they will sell, so to make money. So ultimately we need to know that what is the ill effects. Okay, so here in the case of the tobacco, these are some of the serious effects. There is the lung cancer, these thing, heart attack, heart diseases becomes a lot. Okay, all these kind of problems are there. And the next, coming to the drugs, the more serious thing is about the drugs. Now what happens is sociologically certain things like chewing tobacco or consumption of pan, like in North India pan is considered like अरे चलता है, dada dadi also give to the kid, खा लो बेटा. Okay, so that is like a social, that's what I want to tell, is a social thing, but it is across a generation that we need to understand what is the ill effects that are associated with that one. Okay, similarly alcohol consumption in many societies, it is considered okay, okay, recreational purpose and so on. So we need to strike the balance, we need to know that what is the problems associated with this habit forming substances, very dangerous. So इस सब में जो धुरंधर सबसे डेंजरस इज द ड्रग्स. Okay, so drugs, when we say drugs, drugs means not only the what you say, the narcotics, but also it includes the regular pharmaceutical drugs. Okay, drugs means what? Drugs means it includes all of the chemical compounds that are used. So basically within drugs we are talking about narcotics. Narcotics. Okay, so narcotics means these are habit forming substances that are banned. Okay, serious ones, these include the cocaine. Okay, so when you see the cocaine, okay, the cocaine is a powdery kind of a substance that is sold at a very high rate. It is illegal to manufacture this substance. Okay, but it is also plant based product. Okay, poppy plant, it is also and by different refining processes they get cocaine, heroin and so on, different names are there. So they are all plant alkaloids. Okay, which play with the nervous system. Okay, they will stimulate the nervous system in a certain manner that there is going to be the release of the dopamine, there is going to be the release of adrenaline. Okay, different, this kind of whatever the neurotransmitters are there and hormones are there, there will be a play of these things by the plant alkaloids. So what happens, so when the person is consuming this kind of a drug, they may feel certain kind of a recreational pleasure, but what happens, there is a habit forming element in that one. Okay, so the person wants, he will crave to have more, and generally sociological problem, it is illegal, it is not available in the market, so person will start performing what you say, the antisocial activities. Okay, you will be doing the antisocial activities to raise that money to get these kind of substances. Okay, so what happens is the society itself gets totally damaged and disrupted because of these kind of things. Okay, so one has to be really careful. Under any circumstances one should never consume these kind of drugs or narcotics. it is extremely dangerous. It may be available for a couple of times, maybe for free in a certain person's lifetime, but one has to be totally aware about the side effects of this one. Okay, because the more the it gives the pleasure, and after that one, when there is the withdrawal, the graph goes like this, crazy. The person becomes so down, so crazy, he may go to any extent and almost kill himself also. Okay, so these are very dangerous substances, so one has to totally avoid. So any doubts in this one? We have covered the habit forming substances.
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll move on to the next one, that is the first aid. So what is this first aid? First aid. Aid means help. Okay. Aid means help. First help. So first help यानी second help कौन करेगा? मेडिकल, हु आर मेडिकल स्टाफ. तो फर्स्ट हेल्प, तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि दैट इन पर्सन्स लाइफ टाइम यू आर फेसिंग कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक बर्न्स, cuts, fractures, okay, or some kind of a fainting, unconsciousness, okay. Some people may also get the stings and bites from insects, snake bites. So these kind of things a person may face. Okay, there is a high chance that a person may face in his lifetime, either by himself or herself, or by someone who is close and nearby. Okay, so one should know that what to do in a immediate before the medical help is available. Okay, so that it comes under the first aid. Okay, so the first aid does not mean a treatment, it means only the helping the person until proper medical supervision is reached. So first we will look at the burns. Okay, so burns are caused due to fire, extreme heat, chemicals, electricity, sunlight, or radiation. Okay, so all of us know that burns is caused due to fire. Okay, आग में जला, burn हो गया, skin, whatever. Okay, heat can cause burns. For example, when pressure cooker पूरा गरम, सीटी मार दिया, आपने चेक नहीं किया, सीटी रिलीज नहीं किया, खोल दिया, तो the steam will come out immediately. It is not fire, it is a steam, but very hot steam. So very hot steam can also result in burns, serious burns. Okay, chemical burns. Okay, the nature of these burns are different. Okay, the burn that is caused by the fire, by the what you can say the steam burn, chemical burns. Okay, chemical burns means acid burn. Okay, due to acids also it burns, right? Electricity, and sunlight is generally rare for Indians because we have a lot of melanin on our skin. Okay, generally हमारे skin में बहुत सारा melanin है, the which is giving the color to the skin. Okay, so the people who are too light skin complexion and they have a deficiency of melanin and they get an overexposure to the sunlight, then what happens is they will get the skin burns. Okay, that is another thing. Okay, and other is the radiation. Okay, radiation is less common, only if there is a nuclear disaster, then you can get the radiation burns. Okay, for example in Japan, Hiroshima, Nagasaki kind of situation. Okay, so these are the kind of burns, different types of burns are there. Now how these burns are categorized? Okay, so whenever this burns takes place, you know, we will be studying in your next class, that is in your ninth class and so on, that the skin is the how the structure of the skin. Okay, epidermis, dermis. Okay, so there are the different layers of the skin. जो बर्न है वो कहाँ तक डैमेज किया स्किन के लेयर्स को, तो उसके बेसिस पे यू कैन कैटेगराइज द बर्न्स इनटू the first degree, second degree, and third degree burns. Okay, फर्स्ट डिग्री बर्न, सेकंड डिग्री बर्न, थर्ड डिग्री बर्न। तो आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा ज्यादा सीरियस रहेगा, फर्स्ट डिग्री की थर्ड डिग्री?
थर्ड डिग्री।
थर्ड डिग्री। तो फर्स्ट डिग्री में देर इज गोइंग टू बी सुपरफिशियल बर्न्स। ओके, superficial. Okay, so in superficial burns, what is happening is that just little bit of गर्म चीज से हल्का छू के निकल गया, so those kind of thing, it doesn't take much time to recover. Redness, dryness will be there, but blisters generally they will not form. Second degree, there is a little bit deep. Okay, and they will be the blisters. ब्लिस्टर्स मतलब वो क्या बोलते हैं, जैसे कि चिकन पॉक्स टाइप में जो है, पिंपल टाइप में एक थोड़ा सा पानी भरा हुआ एक तो ब्लिस्टर इस तरीके से निकल जाता है स्किन के ऊपर। ठीक है, अंदर में पानी या पस टाइप का भरा हुआ रहता है। सो द थर्ड डिग्री बर्न, so let's see what is the time, 27, right? Okay, we have 2-3 minutes. So third degree burn is a deeper. Okay, and they may be so deep it may reach up to the bones, and it has all of these things, that is the redness, swelling, blisters, and the skin may become black or white. Okay, that is total burn, iska matlab is like extreme burning up to the bone, up to bone. Okay, so generally third degree burn जो होता है it's very damn serious, it can result in death. Okay, the first and second degree burns, they are treatable by use of the antibiotics and different treatments. Okay, most important thing is that whenever you are facing this kind of situation, okay, you know that it is the first degree, second degree burn, then use the cold water. Okay, use the cold water and ice and all those things, बहुत राहत मिलता है। अगर घर के आसपास कहीं एलोवेरा है, okay, aloe vera is also very excellent, natural cooling and antibiotic kind of activity will be there. And if there is any cloth or anything that is in the skin, okay, कोई चीज उसमें फंसा हुआ है, उसको निकालने की कोशिश नहीं करना है। दैट इज बिकॉज हम लोग ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं भैया, दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट, हम लोग हेल्प कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो छेड़छाड़ हम लोग को नहीं करना है, केवल जो स्थिति है उस स्थिति को संभाल के रखना है। तो इसमें क्या करेंगे, कोल्ड वाटर, एलोवेरा, ओके, इफ देर इज एनी एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम और एनी sterile bandages are there at home, that can be used to cover that part of the skin. Okay, so these things can be done. So let me take your attendance. Any doubts you have?
No, sir.
Okay then, huh? I'll see you all in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
See you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.